It is really, really dark out here. Last bracket race of the year. Like Pop's already in the shop. Let's get this day started. Is this thing on? Guess it is. Turn the light on. Maybe you can see me. Anyway, this is race number 10 for Mokan. As you can see, it is fairly dark out there. The camera does brighten things up a little bit. The sun's not even up. So anyway, let's get this day started. Truck is making a strange noise. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see how far that gets us. Anyway, with that, let's get out of here and get this race season all wrapped up and get to our famous stop. I think you guys know where that's at. So anyway, with that, let's get on down the road. Waiting on Pops. He had run inside for something, not too sure what. Anyway, he'll be out here shortly. So with that, here we go. There goes the old man. Gonna go get some Sonic. That's right, we're at Sonic this morning. Last breakfast stop of this year for Sonic for us. CDRE comes up, it might have breakfast, or not breakfast. We'll have probably lunch here. But anyway, it's definitely going to be the last breakfast stop. So anyway, here we go. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. It's Sonic. Yes, breakfast of champions. There we go. Anyway, just want to say, if Sonic, you're watching, hey, free breakfast every once in a while will be really nice. So anyway, let's get on down the road. Hang on. I was not too sure why it shut off, but anyway, we made it. Last points race of the year. So hopefully the camera stays on more than what just got done doing. So we'll find out how much I got recorded or not. But anyway, we're at the track, get ready to pay the lady at the ticket shack. So let's get this thing parked. Yeah, I can hear that. Straight down the track today. It's gonna be windy. Got it all warmed up. Pops is getting some fluid in it. It's thirsty. A little windy today. Got our new Blackstone grill. I'm gonna try out today with some fajitas. More of that to come when it's lunchtime. Yeah. Okay, it's a nice pretty truck next to us. I think it's from around our neck of the woods down there in Oklahoma. Anyway, first round, really good results so far as in qualifying.
Clean up to do in the left lane, stand by.
Let me turn this down.
Jack Spencer.
Just a quick update, first round qualifying. It seems like the new tires are working out so good. I had an 18 in the first round qualifying. Then I backed it up with the Super Pro with the 0005. Still got my doubts whether it's helping or not, but I'm going to go with it. So the next round, we're going to go ahead and see how we do, and hopefully get some really good results, or next round of qualifying, I should say. Then we'll see what happens when we get to eliminations. That's where I usually choke at. So with that, let's go and get on with our round number 2 of qualifying. Okay, all my qualifying's done. Don't pay attention to the yellow. These are not elimination. But not bad. The first 2 rounds, I think I already showed you about those. Did get the wait and see buy for Super Pro, so can't wait to see how that pans out. I actually had a, oh gosh, 6016 red, there goes my phone. On no E, I just bumped in way too much, and Super Pro had a 22 light, so left the dial, the bump, or whatever, the same on my Super Pro box. I have to adjust the delay. Here we go. Did not adjust the delay, just want to see if it was a pretty good light. But anyway, can't wait to see what happens with that and go from there. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and put the dial in, probably about 667. Last 2 passes ran at 667, identical. So from there, let's get to eliminations and see where that brings us. So here we go. I did get the buy for Super Pro, but I really screwed that up. Hopefully it came out on the video. The RPMs never really came up when I went on the two-step. It just kind of sat there and bounced a little bit. The next I know, the ball was coming down. Hopefully the video you can hear that. Then I don't know what happened. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and buy back in Super Pro and see if we can't redeem ourselves. But other than that, got a round win and no E, white, Super Pro. So let's go ahead and go out there and see if we can get the next round. Here we go. Okay, we'll get a quick little recap here. I did go on to win round 2 on no E. I lost Super Pro. There's those slips. Anyway, good light on their Super Pro, had a 25 there, and guess what? Had a 25 in no E for round 2. Oop, goes my phone again. So anyway, time-wise, been running 668s, so I'll go ahead and dial 668 for round 3 come up no E. So here we go. Okay guys, guess what? That's right, we got a white one. That's round number 3. That's very good for me for right now. So that's the first time I had 3 rounds in a row one in a very long time. So you just need to keep this thing going. Light's been pretty good. So with that, on to the 4th round. Go from there. So here we go. Okay guys, pretty good. Oop. That's right, got another white one. That's round number 4. So definitely we're going some rounds. That's my good good friend John Rutledge. So anyway, pretty close on reactions, but man, good race. So on to 5th round.
round number 5 in the books. So that was at 6 cars. We cut it down to 3. Best reaction gets to the final. I had a 10 light on that. So hopefully we'll get to the by the final, but we'll find out here in just a little bit if that is true or not. So anyway, doing great. Car's doing great. Driver's doing pretty good. So anyway, hope we get this thing in the final. So here we go. Well, we had a round number 7. Yeah, yellow. I just missed the tree on that, and I had a 90 light. That was my worst light of the whole event. So, but good thing we did make it to the final. I knew I was going to make the final this year. I just wish we had the white slip instead of the yellow. But other than that, I'm very happy how things worked out. So, man, can't wait to get home. Hope we get home before the storms hit and all that good stuff. Anyway, other than that, rode along with me for all the rounds. So with that, let's get out here and get home.